Hey everyone, this is VanCat11 with a quick unboxing of a new knife that I have purchased online at a great price. I wanted to get a new knife to replace the old one that I have, a pocket knife. It's pretty old already. So I came across this and doing some research online, and I immediately liked the way that it looked. So let's go ahead and open it up and see how it performs. Okay, so let's just go ahead and open it. I'm gonna go ahead and use my old knife. This is a Rough Rider knife. It's kind of cheap knife. I just purchased it, swap meet or something. Yeah, so I wanted to replace this and wanted to see how this one is. See how it works. So yeah, so this is the Boker. I'm not too familiar with this company, but I heard some good stuff about them. I know that they do manufacture different places. This one says that it was made in China, hence the good price. But I know that they do some out of Italy, Germany. I think I paid $59 for this, something like that. It's got nice cloth in there. Comes with, what is this? Yeah. Okay, it just tells you a little bit about it. Company, I guess, what they have. Care instructions and all that stuff. So, I believe that the knife this is the knife right here. It's a really small knife. It's like a 3-point-something-inch blade. I think from my understanding, that it has ball bearings in here, something like that. But it's black. It kind of has like a, not quite a fish scale. It's nice. It feels good. It's not too heavy. It's real. I mean, I'm going to be using it at work. I work in the kitchen. I just cut open boxes. I don't know how. I guess it opens like this. Cool. Yeah, it's real smooth. Yeah, so I guess right here where you would just close it, you pinch it to the side, and then just close it up. Compared to this, it's pretty big. Can't really flick it open. It's done its purpose. And now getting this, just pull it out of the pocket. Just go like that, it's quick. Just get this paper. Just, oh, not that one. This works. The handle is made of non-slip G10 and it lies comfortably in the handle. Well, it does. Equipped with a practical deep carry clip. Tip up. The knife comes with a high quality nylon case for storage. So this is what this is. But nice. I'm gonna have it in my pocket. So I guess like if I'm gonna travel and put it in there. Yeah, the blade length is 3.03 inches. Overall length is 7.08 inches. The blade thickness is 0.12 inches. The material is D2 tool steel. The blade style is a straight back. The locking mechanism is the liner. The weight is 1.62 ounces, and yes, it is made in China. But I mean, it's a nice quality, I think. It's better than what I had. This thing right here, it's pretty cool because this is where you actuate it. So when you just flick it, or you roll it down like this, or you hold it, you take it out and just. And there's my cat, no name. Ow. You guys take it easy. out there and be safe and treat everybody as you would like to be treated.